Namaste, I'm Suneet, and today I'm here to discuss lentils and how they can help us in our skincare and hair care regimes. Lentils are an excellent companion to your natural beauty regime, and I'll start with the most favorite of mine, which is red masoor dal. It is very good for skin brightening, for detanning, and for exfoliation. So the way to make all lentil packs is to soak them overnight. You can soak them in water, you can soak them in raw milk, and in the morning make it into a paste, blend it in a blender, and you can add some aloe vera or rose water to it. You can add a pinch turmeric to it and then apply it to your face. You can also make it in bigger quantity and use it as a body scrub, and they're excellent for skin polishing, for exfoliation, for skin brightening. So the first one is red masoor dal. You can do the same with moong dal also. Moong dal, you can use the yellow variant for the skin, for the face, for the body, and you can use the whole moong dal, the green variant, for hair. It makes as an excellent hair pack. And then comes urad dal. Urad dal is great for skin polishing, for exfoliation. And last but definitely not the least is besan. You can use besan powder to make your face pack or body scrub. You can also make it with chana dal. So soak chana dal in raw milk overnight. In the morning, grind it into a paste and use it all over your face and body. So do try these lentils out and let me know how it goes for you. Thank you. Bye.